A lot of you don't believe in the Bitcoin system, and that's fine. You can stay on the sidelines, but if you really, really want to become wealthy in the future, I would suggest you take one frickin' dollar, $1, buy some Bitcoins, put it in a goddamn wallet, put it fucking away. Okay, I'm sorry for swearing, but you know what? It's just $1. Get some Bitcoins, put it away. Goes to nothing. Who cares, right? You only spent $1.
Me, sir, are you that guy who bought Bitcoin back in 2011?
Yeah, that's me.
How much did you buy one Bitcoin for?
$1
And how many Bitcoin did you buy?
million.
Wait, if you bought 1 million Bitcoin for $1, how much money? Wait, how much money is that?